Alright, so this is the Anna Pro unboxing part 2. Not really unboxing, it's more of a trying out, getting it to know. Just testing it out. So here it is, my Anna Pro 2. I don't know if you guys see my camera, but here's my Anna Pro 2. So you come with the wire, you have to plug the wire in. That's the first step. You're gonna go to your user manual, which is over here for me, and you're gonna open it up. So they'll tell you to go to this link. It's over here. You have to at least have a Windows 7 or a Mac with a Mac OS 10.9 plus, or on Linux. You can see which types works here. After you install it, which I already have. Sorry, I was doing once on live, but it didn't exactly work correctly. I'm very sorry about that, but either way, so yeah. I got the app, and I'm going to teach you guys how to operate this Anna Pro 2, how to connect it wirelessly, and the best settings for it. Stay sticking up for it. It's going to be a good one, especially if you own the Anna Pro 2. The end part, I'm going to do a gameplay of it. See how good it works. You guys don't need to see that. It's no secrets or anything. Trust me. So I'm going to go get the app, open up the app real quick, and show you guys the app. So remember, in order for you to do this, you have to have it the computer the keyboard plugged in to your PC. Right now my app isn't booting up for some reason. My computer is real laggy. Don't worry about that. I'll get that fixed. Trust me. Right. Now since I'm not lagging anymore, the app should be loading. There. So when the app loads, it should look just like this. You want to click the Anna Pro 2, which is the keyboard I'm reviewing. You want to open it, and you see this. It's the intro page. Obviously, nothing working right now. So you want to put this on default. You want to put tap on. You want to put tap combination on. You want to put caps LED on. All. Put tap macro enabled. You want to go lighting. Put it at 100. You'll put Magic FN disabled. Macro on, Magic auto sleep disable. It's up to you if you want to make it auto sleep or not. So that lighting. You're gonna add a profile. You wanna put static if you want this normal. Choose your colors, choose your area. This is mine. I'm gonna click download. Here's your macro options. Here's whatever setting you wanna put on. So now you guys wanna go like, I don't know why it says that, that's glitch. So now you guys wanna go like, well, now I wanna connect it wirelessly. Well, that is easy peasy lemon squeezy. All you have to do is go to the back of your keyboard. It'd be a button. You want to put the button on. Then you want to click the page button. I have to use my setting for this too, the default and everything. You want to click the FN2 button and any other 1, 2, 3, or 4 button. Right? You want to hold them for like 5 seconds, and in which button you press at the top should start lighting and flashing. You want to go to your computer, at Bluetooth settings, and you want to go open up your Bluetooth pairing. Pretty sure it works on mobile too. I don't know about the mobile 100%, but either way, you want to go there. You should find the keyword. It's called Anna Pro 2. You want to click there. That should be it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a like. There's a part 1 on this video. And yeah, continue on. Now have a good one.